This is my main buck. He weighs in about 12 pounds. He's super, super sweet. He's about 2 years old. He's actually larger than his father, who is further down there. We do wire cage raise. I'll tell you why. In Louisiana, if you put your rabbits on the ground, what happens when you walk outside and it's raining? What gets all over your feet? Red ants. They eat you up. They're going to eat your rabbits up. All right? You're going to get wolf worms. You're going to get tapeworms. I always going to say this. Coccidioitis? Coccidioitis? Yeah, that's it. I hate that word. It's one of the words I just like. Your rabbits are going to get it. Is it going to kill your rabbit? Probably not. But if you're selling to a processor or to somebody like me, and you give me a rabbit, and I want the organs. That's just me. But you give me that liver, and it's got all those spots all over it, I don't want your meat ever again. Okay? So if you want clean, healthy meat, you're going to have to cage raise them in Louisiana. I know people who do them on the ground. They do them in tractors. That's great. I sell clean meat. These rabbits never, ever, ever get antibiotics or wormers. Ever. Ever. I don't do it. So to keep them healthy, I keep them in cages. Now, my cages on this side are larger than average. They're taller. They're wider. You don't have to keep them in a little old 2x2 foot cage if you're uncomfortable with that. I was uncomfortable with that. I wanted them to have a better life than just being in a cage where they never get hay. They don't have any, so mine are open to outside, but obviously they're shielded from the rain. When the winter comes, we have a tarp right here that we roll back up. This side is protected on that. We have a door to keep out anything from coming in to kill them. These cages move so that the rats have a harder time getting to them. Because yes, when they're delivering babies in these boxes, I don't care where you put them, guys, even inside your house, rats and mice in a setup like this are going to smell young. If you have a farm, you already know all this. Snakes, they smell them. Ants, they smell the blood. They're coming. So you have to come up with ways to protect your animals in these environments.